In today's Procreate tutorial, we're going to draw a warm and cozy wardrobe illustration that's full of texture and charm. The tutorial is under 10 minutes and we'll be using just 4 colours to create some really fantastic results. I'll guide you step by step, keeping it simple, relaxed and creative. You'll find a free sketch, the full Procreate colour palette and a list of the brushes I've used down in the description box. But of course, feel free to use whatever brushes you prefer. I've set my canvas up with the following dimensions and colour profiles, so let's get started. Okay, so let's go to our sketch, and just for each layer within the sketch group, I'm going to switch it to multiply and down to about 30 or 40%. Do the same for each layer. Two new layers, select both, group, rename, I'll call this outlines, close this, select the sketch layer, just pop it on top. Now let's create 2 new layers, select both, group, rename, I'll call this BG for background. Let's grab this group, just pop it on top. Let's select this group, select the bottom layer. I'm going to use the Magic Rugged texture at 100% is fine. We've got our palette here, it just consists of 4 colours, so that's pretty cool. A 4 colour illustration. And I'm going to select this lightest colour here. And we're just going to create this really cool background shape for our illustration. So let's just close this group for now and go to the outlines group, select this layer here. I'll be using the grungy marker. There it is, at size 16. The colour will be this colour, second from the right. I will go to the sketch and just turn the border off, and we can turn this text sketch layer off as well. Okay, so we're just going to create outlines of all of these items in this really cool textured marker. I'm just going to take the brush size down to about 6%. I'll select this layer here, keep the colour. I'm just going to fill in some of the smaller detail. We're just going to add these patches to the elbows. And now I'll just take it up to 12% just to finish the wool off here. So I'll just close this group, close that for now. Select this, create 2 new layers, select both, group, rename. I'll call this detail and select the bottom layer. For this job, I'm going to use a really cool brush, the gravel brush at around size 22. The color will be this last color on the right. We're just going to add this really cool texture to the items here. Might just take it down in size here. Now let's grab the raw pen at around 36% is fine. I'll select this pink color second from the left, and I'll select this layer here. We're just going to add this cool detail to some of the items. Now I'm after the gritty crayon at around size 14. I'll be using this brown color. Let's close this. Create 2 new layers. Select both group, text. I'll select the bottom layer. Let's turn on the text layer. I'll just take it down in opacity a tad. And we're going to add this really cool textured text. Now let's select this layer here. Let's choose this aqua color here. Using the same brush, we're just going to add the plus sign and draw the clothes hanger in. I'm just going to go back here and just grab the eraser tool. I might use the gritty crayon. I'm just going to zoom in, just going to erase back just a tad. Might increase the size here, like so. Next, I'm going to use a really cool brush, the distressed brush, at around 28-29% is fine. I'll choose this brown color here and select this layer here. And we're just going to add this really gorgeous texture to the background here and there. And that's basically it. So with 4 colors and a few minutes, we have this illustration. So let's just zoom in to appreciate some of the details. As per usual, I rely heavily on texture for my illustrations. So we can see this beautiful texture running through the text here, and same as the coat hanger. Then we've got that gorgeous texture running through the items here, and that textured marker. It's giving us this really cool effect. And of course we have that really cool texture around the edges of the background shape, and then that distressed brush that gave us that grungy effect on the background throughout the illustration. So thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope this illustration gave you that warm, cozy feeling If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step Procreate videos. See you in the next one.